everyone, I am Erhan, CEO and co-founder of Enki. Enki helps companies discover the next business opportunities. We are all familiar with Amazon, Google, and Facebook. These insight-driven companies created trillion-dollar market caps by converting shared customer data into revenue. B2B customers also share a ton of online data. Enki turns these customers' insight into actionable business opportunities. When it comes to B2B sales, we are sending 60 trillion emails annually, phone calls, and LinkedIn requests. The conversion rate is a joke, 1%. This volume driven approach is broken. One famous CEO summarized the state of sales rep very well. Make 50 cold calls per day and get hung up on. Send hundreds email and get rejected 99% of the time. Set appointments and no show off. Folks, volume approach is not working. Instead, we must find and talk to ideal customers who is relevant to our solution. We must put customers' insight at the center of B2B interactions. How do we do it? Enki is the insight application for B2B companies to find the ideal customers and knowledge about that. You put your solution attributes, value proposition, target industry or prospect. Then Enki takes your input, crawls billions of domains, reads millions of articles, and extracts only relevant insight based on your input. Enki's AI algorithms act like an experienced business analyst. From this input, Enki discovers the ideal customers, relevant pain points, strategic initiatives, and their contact information. So Enki closes the sales loop. Let's see a real example. Our clients develop chatbot applications. Their value proposition is to improve user experience, and they want to sell to auto insurance companies. They want to understand the ideal customers with insight around the key decision makers. Enki identifies ideal auto insurance companies based on their solution and ranks them and extract the key insights. Let's click AAA. Enki discovers what AAA decision maker talk about and finds VP of Digital Mark as the person to target and extract his opinion on chatbots. Enki generates a personalized message based on his opinion and combine it with your solution. This approach reduces 8 hours research into 15 minutes of actionable insights. When we test Enki in various cases, we find our response rate as high as 20 times compared to volume approach. There are many solutions out there. They encourage volume approach rather than insight approach. They brag about how many millions of people and companies are in their database or how many pages of research reports they have. As a salesperson, I don't need hundreds of millions of people and their email addresses or reading hundreds of pages of market research to close a sales. All I need, one relevant insight, one right person. Enki is a unique solution to support this need. On average, US companies spend $4,000 per sales rep on sales technologies. This creates 80 billion TAM. Sales is the fastest growing job title after data scientist, growing 43% year over year. To bring insight to your organization, Enki has SaaS and DaaS business model. Our subscriptions start at $2,400 and goes to $12,000 annually for unlimited users. We launch with startup and mid-sized companies that want to sell to large enterprises. We are entering partnership with various accelerator and VC firms. Since then, we are growing 50% month over month. We have 90% retention, and we don't have a sales team and any marketing budget. Now that the product is proven, we are ready to scale up sales and marketing to drive up the revenue. Our user testimonies validate the early traction. See for yourself how much our customers appreciate insight-driven approach. I live and breathe insight-driven approach in my career. As a sales executive using insight approach, I shortened the enterprise sales cycle from 1.5 years to 3 months for multiple large accounts. And Andy builds similar insight-driven big data solutions at Microsoft. We are opening seed round today. Now the product is proven. We will use this funding to hire the first sales rep, marketing specialist, customer support person to drive up the revenue. We'll also penetrate large enterprises with additional use case. This seed funding will fuel our vision to transform every B2B into insight-driven companies. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to transform your organization or portfolio companies into insight-driven companies, you have the power. Schedule a call with me.